For our third review video of the week, we're going to look at solving one-step equations. And again, we're going to focus on building the equations and seeing what's happening in the big picture. So our first equation I want us to work is x plus 2 equals 3. And I've already went ahead and drawn out this problem. I've got a green x, 2 yellow ones. I draw a vertical line on the equal sign, and then I have 3 yellow ones. And remember, when we're solving an equation, our goal is to isolate the variable, meaning we want that green x to be the only thing on that side of the equation, or that side of the vertical line. I need to create 0 pairs with my 2 yellow ones. And the only way I can do that is by putting some red ones on there, and it will help us cancel them out. Well, if I put 2 red ones on the left side of that vertical line, I have to also put 2 red ones on the right side of the vertical line. Then I can look for my 0 pairs. So I have a yellow and a red, that's a 0 pair. A yellow and a red, that's a 0 pair. Another yellow and a red, that's a 0 pair. And then another yellow and a red, that is a 0 pair. And I'm left with 1x on one side of the vertical line and a 1 on the other side of the vertical line. So I've reached my goal. I've gotten x all by itself on the one side of the equation, and it is equal to 1 whole. So my answer is x equals 1. That's when we're adding. Let's take a look at when x is minus 4 equals 2. I'm going to first build it, so I have my x minus 4 on one side and my 2 on the other side of the vertical line. Notice my minus 4, that's 4 red ones because it's a negative 4. Okay, so now I need to get rid of that negative 4 with my x. I don't want those there. The only way I can do that is by pairing them up with a yellow one. So I'm going to put 4 yellow ones. And if I do that to the left side, I must also do this to the right side. Now I'm going to find those 0 pairs, and I'm going to just mark them off. So there's one, a second one, a third one, and a fourth one. And I'm finally left with an x on one side of the equation, which is my goal the entire time. So I know that x equals 6. Okay. So again, another type of problem. This is 2x equals 6. And I build these so that I automatically know my answer. There's nothing else I need to do. I know I need 2 x's. So here are my 2 x's. And then I know on the other side of the vertical line, I need 6 ones. But I'm going to place my 6 ones so that they're already in 2 groups that match up with an x. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can set it up this way and automatically know that each of those x's goes with 3 of the ones. So my answer is x equals 3. And the final one we're going to watch in this video is x divided by 2 equals 3. Let's take a minute and look at x divided by 2. X divided by 2 is the same thing as saying half of an x. So if I have half of an x, that equals 3 ones. What happens if I have a whole x? Okay. Well, I doubled it, so I'm going to double my 3 ones. And I have a whole x on one side, which is my goal. That's what I like. Then it equals 6 ones on the other side. So my answer is x equals 6. Okay. Again, we'll be doing a lot more of these in class together tomorrow, so make sure that you understand what you can from this video.